In this video, I am going to show you how you can use Chatgpt with affiliate marketing so that you can make more money online. So make sure you watch this entire video if you want to take advantage of this new technology to put more money into your pockets. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm gonna show you one of the ways that you can use Chatgpt with affiliate marketing. Now, this video that you're gonna see next is actually a part of my House of Affiliates program. It's just $7 per month. Included in the program is a 1-hour training dedicated to Chatgpt. If you want to learn more about the training, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. All right, in the last video, we found different niches. I had a niche idea that I want to go with, and so we niched down and we looked at different basketball ideas. And then at the end of the video, I just randomly got an idea of typing in newest niches. And as you can see on the screen, I'm actually going to make this a little bit bigger so it's easier for us to see, like that. And at the end of the last video, I got the idea of typing in just newest niches to see what would happen. And Chatgpt did not disappoint. We're going to call it Chad. Instead of saying Chatgpt, we're just going to call it Chad from now on. So Chad did not disappoint. And it gave us a bunch of great ideas for COVID-19. In this video, we are going to look at different affiliate programs. Now, obviously, affiliate marketing is how we're going to make our money. What I recommend that we do is that we always find at least 5 affiliate programs because we're going to promote them with email marketing. And that is how we are going to make more money with fewer customers or fewer subscribers. So in this video, we are going to actually we're going to find different affiliate programs and we are going to find it really quickly. So let me see here. I just want to make sure all of this is the same format because I like it to be the same. So this is 1 and we're going to make this heading 2. This is heading 3. So that works out. And then this one's going to be, I'm going to make both these 1. I'm just going to do this really quick because it'll help provide me some sanity here. But in this video, we are simply going to find affiliate programs and you're going to see how quickly and easily this is. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 things. We're going to both find affiliate programs in this section and we're going to write kind of like a business plan to promote those affiliate programs, because in most instances, you'll have to write something letting the affiliate manager know how you're going to promote their product ethically. And so let's go ahead and get right into it. For the purposes of this, we're going to do 2. We're going to look at basketball nutrition, and we're also going to look at maybe home fitness. Okay, so we are going to type in basketball fitness affiliate programs like this and hit enter. And then look at this. Nike. Okay, so we could promote shoes, obviously. Under Armour. Adidas. So we could definitely promote all of these. These fall under both fitness as well as basketball. Sports Authority. It's giving us a pretty good list here. If we keep going. So if I don't like these, I could simply just type in keep going like this, and it's going to work a little bit harder for us. And like I said, what we're going to need to do is we are going to have to go out. Let's scroll down here, and we're still going to need to apply to these affiliate programs. Let's do this, and we are going to clear the formatting once again. All right, so look at this. Amazon, eBay, Athletic Gears, Beachbody. I don't know about Beachbody. True Socks is a company that offers a line of socks designed to improve traction and stability. That's interesting. So let's type keep going one more time to see if we can find one. Keep going like this. My Protein. Okay, that would fit our niche for nutrition. Perform Better. So look at this. This actually, it's coming up with some good ideas here. So we're just going to hit enter like that. We'll come back over here. Now look at this. So after asking a couple times, it came out with My Protein, Perform Better, Fitness, Blender, Flex Fit, and Power Dot. So this is interesting. All right. So we're going to copy this and we are going to paste it right in here. And then we're just going to clear the formatting. And then we're going to clear the format. And like I mentioned, the second thing that we want to do is we want to write an affiliate marketing business plan. So I'm just going to type in write affiliate marketing business plan for plan to join the Nike affiliate program. So let's see what happens. Here's a sample business plan for joining the Nike affiliate program. Look at this. Our company is excited to join the Nike affiliate program to promote their line of basketball shoes, apparel, and gear. We have a strong following on social media and a website that is focused on basketball, fitness, and training. Now, the cool thing with Chatgpt is it looks backwards and it's incorporating our previous questions. It understands where we're trying to go with this, and it actually makes our life much easier. And so this is incredibly sick. There's no other way to describe this. People will often say, how do I get approved to join an affiliate program? This is how you get approved. You write a good business plan. So yeah, I am utterly amazed at the things that you can do. So I'm just going to scroll down here and I'm going to delete this, delete that. I'm going to paste that in, write affiliate marketing business plan to join the Nike affiliate program. And again, you can enter in, that's I think a subheading. You can enter in your affiliate program that you want to join, and it's going to drastically increase the likelihood that you get accepted. Now, you do want to make sure that you read through it and you're being honest. You're not just copying and pasting and throwing it out there. Because if you don't have 1 million followers, you can't say that you have 1 million followers. The affiliate programs will verify this information. So we're just going to paste it in just like that. And then once again, we are going to do the formatting. So we're going to go format, clear formatting like this. And so if you read through it, I'll let you read through it on your time, but this is a pretty good business plan. That could be very encouraging. So now what we need to do is we need to come back and we need to write, let's see, find home fitness affiliate programs. Hit enter there. I wrote find Ho Fitness, and that's okay. You can see Beachbody is one, obviously. Hopefully it finds different like treadmill affiliate programs, maybe Bowflex. Hopefully it has a few of those, and that could be a good option as well. But if we look at this, it's kind of repeating the same ones, but Amazon, okay. For treadmills and things like that, you can see stationary bikes, but we can always just say keep writing like this, hit enter. Peloton, I don't know if they still have their affiliate program. You'd want to obviously verify that information. Nordic Track is a good one. And this is exactly what we're looking for. Again, I've been working on this for maybe half an hour and we're cooking, okay? Things that would take days to figure out, and Bowflex, like I mentioned, things that would take days to figure out are now taking maybe an hour, 2 hours. This is absolutely amazing. So on this page here, I'm going to write, I think this is an H3, fitness affiliate programs. Now again, this is just so that you can follow along and see what's happening as it's happening. H2 maybe, let's see. Yeah, I guess that's an H2. Anyway, not that big of a deal. I just like to keep things in order. So we're just going to copy this, and then we are going to paste this in, come back up here like this and clear the formatting. And and we can go down and grab this Peloton one as well. And then it's going to be incumbent on you to once again apply and get accepted, but this is cutting down on the hours that it may take to find these different affiliate programs. So in the old days, I'd come up here and type in something like fitness affiliate program like this, and then I'd have to sift through. I'd have to read all of these different blog posts. Now I can just go over to Chatgpt and it figures it out for me. So yeah, that is how you can find different affiliate programs. In the next section, we are actually going to do landing page, lead magnet, autoresponder email, and broadcast email so that we can start making money over and over again.